What's up everyone and welcome back to you on the Moonchart, and I hope that you're doing very well because yes, finally we got the answer if we are bullish or bearish. I hope you pay attention to levels I told you, the 200% for example of this possible ABC that was possibly not a 1, 2, 3 or 5, but now we I told you, told you we can do an extension inside this wave 5. If you're super bullish, we can rocket, absolutely rocket on this. This is exactly what we have done here, okay? We fill it along with VIPs around the low. It was on this low here, if I'm not mistaken, and this is just insane. This is just insane, okay? So I told you more of this. If we break the high, we can do also a big green candle because resistance level to break that big green candle, okay? So today we're going to talk about. I told you also, yeah, we was possibly not in triangle here. If we go higher, okay, possibly have done this way 3 here, 4, 5, 3 here, 4, 5. Even if we don't have really 5 inside this small wave here, and we are in the wave 5. So this is just, and we are maybe going to do an extension inside. So that's just exactly as predicted for this bullish scenario, okay? So here, so by the way, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and to turn on notifications. And if you want to smash the like button, it helps me a lot. If you want to join this Discord server, also there is a nice community on it, so if you want to join this Discord server, feel free to do it. The link is just right below in the description. So I'm just going to turn visible, change the template of this. If I can load my okay, I don't know why I don't want to change that into a good template. My connection sucks right now, so that's maybe why. What is happening? Okay, I don't know why I cannot I can change the template of this. What effect this? I cannot change the sadly, okay, I don't know what is happening right now. Alright, here we go. So here now we're gonna pay attention to bigger pattern, okay? So the 135, because keep in mind that we are I'm going to remove all the possible bearish scenario targets, okay? The green square, look at this, perfect, absolutely perfect buy here. This is just insane too. If you didn't join this Discord server, I highly recommend you to do it because it's just insane for real. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, flat inside. I'm not going to explain this once again. Check my previous video for this flat, okay? ABC, that was possible WXY. Keep in mind that if we are still bearish, we can still be bearish, okay? Normally no, because wave will not match with this. But if we are still bearish, you have to pay attention to one level here, okay? The 123, okay? If we exact touch 123 and reject that, this is possibly not each wave like that, okay? Not the wave 2 will maybe not be finished here, okay? Not right there, but it can be if that not 1305. Normally it should not be an ABC to the upside because maximum target of this ABC. If that was an ABC, I'm going to show you that. We'll remove this, but if that an ABC, for example, okay, not X wave here, but that will be an ABC flat, okay? So pay attention to this level. I will say that we are really bullish. Should we break the 123 and go really high? But that can be, for example, an A, B, and a C to the downside with 5 ways here, okay? That is also clearly possible, but smaller way, as you can see, that if we are bearish, A, B, C here, if you followed my previous videos, you know what I'm talking about. ABC maximum target 161 point. I told you to pay attention to this level here. 200% will be the invalidation of the bearish scenario, and normally it should be not valid anymore, okay? So that's pretty cool, really cool. I really love Bitcoin. I really love Bitcoin, absolutely love it. This is just insane. So current wave, no, it's bullish, okay? So now we're gonna pay attention because we're gonna check smaller wave first, okay? The Y1 here, okay, inside. RSI say that's a wave 3, but will be for the bigger wave here, okay? So if you pay attention to this, okay, small bottom here, top here, wave 3, 423.6, okay, just right there. Now we have an extension inside this wave 5. As you can see, I told you maximum most common target will be the 161 point. We can stop from here. Next target, if we go higher, can be the 261 point. But if we are super bullish, I told you we can do an extension and go really high, okay? And that's what we have done right now. So now if we pay attention, because the bigger targets are the most important. By the way, I'm going to play directly like that because it's clearly more bullish and bearish here, okay? So that I'm going to leave it on the right here. Okay, so now if we pay attention to targets for this bigger wave 3, okay, just right there, the target. Okay, so first target is a 100%. We have 15% chance to stop here, so not really common to stop here. Okay, most common target is a 161.8. Okay, next target is a 200% forward by 3. Then we have the 261.8. So normally that should be the next possible stop. Okay, smaller wave. Normally we should not really go. I mean, everything is possible. You should go there, but yeah, I would prefer to stop here, do the wave 4, do the wave 5, and after this, boom, bigger wave 2, and extra, you know. So the wave 3 normally should reach the 261.8, maybe go a bit higher, extra, but that's the target expected for this move to the upside. Okay, this is the target expected here. Okay, wave 3 here, so bigger, smaller wave 5 here too. Finish it here. Keep in mind, a wave 3 can go to the 423.6. Okay, if we are super, absolutely super bullish, that can happen. But yeah, for now we're gonna stay with this level. Okay, it looks better, clearly better here. Okay. So wave 3 here. Now what can we expect on the wave 4? We can expect a 38.2 retracement because we have done a big retracement, as you can see here. Normally wave 2 stop between, normally it have more chance, 73% chance to stop between the 50 and the 61 point. As you can see, we went touch it, the 76.4, 78.6. So we can expect on this retracement, because we have done a big retracement, we can expect a smaller one on the wave 4, and on the wave 4 it will be, so the top will be here, a 38.2 on the wave 4. Okay, so back into that range. Okay, depend how where we go here. Okay, but you just have to add on the wave 3 top, on the top we're going to do to the wave 2 top or bottom, I don't know how do you read that, but on the wave 2 here. Okay, wave 3 beginning, it's better like that, you know. And to play the wave 4 on the 38.2, that's gonna be your buy zone. Okay, that's gonna be your buy zone. You can buy this. Okay, stop loss on the wave 1 invalidation, so pay attention, because that's a huge loss if we are not in this and still bearish. Okay, but normally you should not. Okay, so if we do that now, what can we expect on the wave 5? Okay, so wave 3, by the way, was well placed. Yeah. So on the wave 5, first possible stop is a 61.8 truncated wave 5. Okay, so that I'm going to remove every square here. Okay, just leave this one because that will be normally the target expected here. Maybe the target a bit higher, 423.6. This is clearly possible to go there. Okay, but then what can we expect? Wave 4 to 38.2 here. First target of this wave 5 here is a 61.8. Okay, then we have the 100% most common target, but as you can see here, what that will be, a double top. Double top is not really common to do, so we can expect a price, oops, if I can cut the wave 5 top, a wave 5 that's gonna go on the 161.8. okay, this is not the last target. Okay, we have a target after this. Okay, we have the 261.8 maximum target, except if we do an extension and we go really higher here. Okay, that are all possible stop for this wave 5. It depends if we go higher on the wave 3 or not. Okay, it depends. Okay, but for now this is what we can expect here. So extension inside this wave 5. I'm going to go on the 1 hour just to check really quickly. But yeah, as you can see, the highest price is reached here, so that will be the wave 3 tops and the wave 4, and now the wave 5. It depends. Pay attention to some levels. Okay, if we break this, this is maybe more a wave 3 top just right there, but will be strange. Okay, will be really strange. Will be more wave 5 with an extension here inside. Okay, so that's really good. That's really cool here. Okay, what we are doing right now. I hope you enjoy the plan. I hope you feel it alone. I hope you bought Bitcoin on the dip. That's insane. Okay, this is insane. By the way, I think I gave this buy zone here for free members too, and I hope they bought, because that's an insane profit already if you bought Bitcoin. Really insane here. So anyway, so now you know all possible stops, every possible targets for this wave. Normally the most common one will be almost around 60k. Insane. So after this, what can we expect? Okay, we can expect a bigger wave 1, 2. Okay, if we do this wave, okay, we're going to update that every day if there is some good moves every day. Okay, but now wave 1, that will be a bigger wave 1, then a bigger wave 2. So if we're super bullish, we can clearly start, for example, on the 23.6, do a really small wave 2 and absolutely rocket after this, you know. But yeah, for now we're gonna play with commentary. It's possible to, if we're super bullish, that we start on the 38.2. This is clearly possible that we stop here. Okay, yeah, 38.2, but with statistic we have more chance to stop between the 50 and the 61.8. Okay, so that will be the next possible long to open here. Okay, that will be the next possible long to open around there after the 5 way down here, the yellow ones. Okay, so bigger wave 2 here after this. So normally 61.8 most common target. Okay, stop between the 50 and the 61.8, but normally we should, I mean, most of the time we touch the 61 point, or stop between. No, I mean, we will see when we are going to be inside this wave, of course, which target we can expect here. So from the low to the top, that will be around there, and to the low here, okay, to find the wave 3 top, okay. Wave 3 top gonna be the 161.8. So that was for the previous video, I forgot to delete that. Most common target for the wave 3 is a 161.8, okay. So here, just right there, of course we can go low here on the wave 2, we can stop before, but we have more chance, and we're gonna play with statistics, we have clearly more chance to stop around this level, okay, the 50 and 61.8 retracement, okay, as I show you, just right there, between the 50 and 61.8, okay, so that we have 73% chance to stop here. So this is just huge, okay. So now here's the wave 3, so 161.8. If we do this wave 1, 2, here's the wave 2 here, okay. If we stop before, we're gonna move the wave 3, but it's not for now. For now, we just want to play with common target, okay. So then we can expect a 38.2 retracement just right there. If we start on this, keep in mind that we can go on the 261.8, on the 123.6 for really super bullish, but for now this is what we can expect, okay. So here on the low here, okay, if you want to find the wave 4, you just have to drag the retracement tool from the top of the wave 3 to the bottom of the wave 3 if you have reversed your tool, okay. If you didn't reverse your tool, it's from the bottom, from the beginning of the wave 3 to the top of the wave 3, okay. But it's more logic for me to drag it like that because it's the same trend, okay, it's going the same trend on the market, so I prefer. But anyway, and quick tip, if we start on the 161.8, the 100% gonna be the 38.2, and the most common target wave 5 100% gonna be the 200% of this wave 3, okay. I mean, so 38.2 retracement after a big regular retracement, and as you can see, boom, 100% is a 200% of the wave 3 if we start on the 161 point, of course. So you can expect a price already on this wave 5. If we do always this wave with common targets on each wave, we can expect a price around 85k. This is just absolutely insane. We are going to check a bigger wave, okay, just right there. So here, I mean, that will clearly match here for now, okay. So here, if we pay attention, because yes, we have done 5 waves inside here, okay. And by the way, I told you, the ABC for me was not really possible to do because wave don't match with this, and now we are bullish. So anyway, so wave 1, 2, okay, the light blue one here, okay, wave 1, 2, that are bigger waves of every wave. So inside this wave 1, we have the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, with this trend flat inside, but possible, as I told you, as you can see. Right waves, it looks like for now. Then the wave 2 retracement, ABC, okay, and then now inside this wave 3 we have this 1, 2, 3, or 5, and inside this 1, 2, 3, or 5 we have in the wave 1 this yellow 1, 2, 3, or 5, okay. It's like Russian dolls. We have inside a wave, we have smaller waves, okay. So here, so here, if we now find the, I mean, we're going to check the big wave 2 retracement here, okay. So I'm going to reduce the size of every wave here. Gonna be better for you, I think. Reduce this. Yeah, maybe that one here. Gonna reduce this, and we are good. So I'm going to hide waves of this. Gonna be better for you, I think, to see that, to see waves extra. So normally oh yeah, okay, that's good like that. So as you can see, wave 2 most common target 50, 61.8, stop between the 50 and 61 point. This is exactly what we have done. So that's insane, okay. So really hope you bought Bitcoin around there, because that was insane, okay. Green square, as you can see on the right here, boom, perfect buy zone, okay. So when we do a regular retracement here, okay, we can expect a stop on the most common target for the wave 3, okay. So 161 point, just right there, boom, just right there, okay. Here we go, okay. Most common target 161 point. As you can see, the wave 5 will bring us more around the 200% here. Not the best target for the wave 3, but that's what smaller waves tell us. Okay, for now, it can change, as I told you. If we go high on this wave 3, extra, it just with most common target. For now, we're gonna play with that. Okay, so most common target normally 161.8, but as you can see, by smaller waves, we reach normally around the 200% here. Okay. Oops, Control Z. So now if we check at the retracement for the wave 4 after a regular retracement, here we can expect a smaller retracement. Okay, normally a regular retracement, we can expect more a 38.3 retracement. So they're gonna be the wave 4, okay, on the 38.2. Now if you want to find the wave 5, sorry, you just have to drag to wave, click 1 here on the beginning of the wave 1, click 2 on the top of the wave 1, and then on the bottom or top of the wave 4, depending on how you read that. and then most common target 100%. Okay, so that's gonna be for now, okay, for now around 100k, 93 or 95. Okay, so first target of this wave 5, 61.8 as always. Okay, truncated wave 5, so not common to do, so we can play once again with statistics and say, okay, we're going to the next target. This is the most common target, 100%. Okay, so wave 5 normally should start around, for now I say it again, around 93k. Okay, then we have, of course, because we can do, if we're bullish, we can do some extension inside the wave 5 extra. Okay, next target for this wave 5, just right there, the 161.8. Next target for this wave 5 is the maximum one, and the maximum one is a 261.8. I can see, and that's if we do common targets. Okay, if we do some extension, I can tell you that we're about to rocket, but absolutely rocket. And by the way, I don't think that's a wave 5, but this is a bigger wave 3, then a wave 4, then a wave 5. After this, once again, bigger wave 3, bigger wave 4, and bigger wave 5. That cannot be found for now. Okay, but anyway, for the bigger waves, we don't really care for now. Okay, we just pay attention to already the smaller one. Okay, that's the most important for now. We will see that wave 3. Okay, gonna see that later. We're gonna stay with smaller, if I can say smaller, that already are big waves, but we're gonna say we stay with smaller waves for now. Okay, so yeah, I think that's all. I mean, we can expect a price for this wave 5 for now around the 93k. Okay, 93,000. So hope you bought Bitcoin, hope you bought. That's just insane. Okay, so here we are moving a bit more down. Okay, I'm going to take smaller waves, but maybe on the 15-minute here. So I have smaller waves, I have smaller waves, but yes, a bit strange. Okay, wave we have done inside, so that was more for VIPs, with targets we bought on the low here, and we're in profit. Okay, so smaller wave for now. Yeah, I mean that will be a wave 3, but wave 4 will break the wave 1 beginning. Okay, because on the RSI, on the RSI, sorry, when you have a wave 1, you have a wave 1 like that, wave 1, 2 that cannot break the wave 1 beginning, then the wave 3 that is higher, the highest reach on the RSI, then the wave 4 that gonna go between the wave 1 and the wave 2, not necessary, it can stop before, but it can go between the wave 1 and 2, and the wave 5 always lower than the wave 3 top. Okay, so here as you can see, wave 3 top would be more here, but the problem is we broken the wave 2 beginning, so yeah. Okay, I think more about a wave, wave like that. Okay, I'm going to just show you waves, the big one here. So I'm going to hide everything and leave the bigger the wave here. I think more about a wave like that. Okay, so a wave 3 that stop on the 100%. Okay, just right there. Just for people that like to see smaller waves. Okay, I don't want to change my template on the extension tool, so we're going to wait a bit. So okay, really nice. I don't know why it's bugging like that. I have a really bad connection. I apologize for this. So that's a bit alright. Here we go, finally. So now if you pay attention to this wave, okay, so with smaller waves, I'm going to show you some smaller waves here. That will be yeah, that one. As you can see, inside is wave 3 here. So I'm going to move this on the left. Inside is wave 3, and that's why that's why the 100% is a target. Okay, when you have to take profit when you are trading Elliott Wave impulsive one, because you can see that will be normally the wave 3 top just right there. Okay, we're going to see wave 5 targets. Okay, for now, but that should be the wave 3 top. Why? Because smaller wave, we have smaller wave inside is wave 3. Okay, if you watch our target, this is just insane, absolutely insane. So bottom of the wave 1 to top of the wave 1 to bottom of the wave 2. Okay, if you pay attention to this, wave 3 most common target 161.8, perfect touch, remove what the fuck, dump it, retracement after this, perfect 38.3 retracement. If you watch a retracement, we just both the week with VIP here. As you can see, 61.8 perfect for a wave 2 retracement, so we can expect a 38.2 retracement after this. And if you watch at this, perfect 38.2 bounce after this, truncated wave 5, not common to do, but everything is possible. Okay, as you can see, first top for a wave 5 is a 61.8 perfect touch and rejected. Okay, so for me the top of the smaller wave will be more around there. Okay, just right there here, perfect. So then the wave 4 retracement, okay, we can expect a 50% retracement after a really small retracement on the wave 2. Okay, so wave 2, as you can see, didn't touch the 23.6. okay, didn't touch that, so that really small retracement here. So we can expect a 50% 61.8 retracement on the wave 4. Okay, as you can see, perfect 50% retracement on the wave 4, and that was expected. I mean, in the VIP daily market update for Bitcoin, I told them to. That was the start expected, a 50% and a move to the upside with this wave 5. Okay, so the wave 5 not that high, not that high. Okay, but now we are going to see the wave 5 target. Okay, so as you can see, wave 3 100% target reached. Okay, so first target for wave 3. Okay, this is possible to stop here, and that's what we have done. What now we can do with the extension tool when the wave 3 is less than 161.8? Okay, because when it's equals or more than 161.8, you can drag like that. No, now if the wave 3 is less than 161.8, you drag it, of course. So the third click of your extension tool, I mean, I'm going to do that. So first click is on the bottom of the beginning of the wave 1 to the top of the wave 3 this time, and not to the top of the wave 1, and then to the bottom of the wave 4, and like that. And target will change because, for example, the 261.8 is not the maximum target, but the 161.8 is the maximum target. Okay, so here first possible stop is the 38.2. This is not when you have a wave 3 less than 161.8. The first possible stop is the 38.2. So that's the first possible stop here. Okay, then you have the 61.8. okay, then you have the 100% just right there, then you have the maximum target 161.8. So it's possible that we go there too. Okay, it's possible that we go there too. Okay, but yeah, smaller wave, bigger wave, sorry, say that we are about maybe to stop here. We have to go a bit higher here. But yeah, for now, you know, there is all of the possible stop maximum target, except if we do once again an extension inside this wave 5. Okay, just right there. We have already an extension inside this bigger wave 5 here. Okay, but that's the problem. Okay, so we'll see that. But normally the stop expected, you know, the bigger wave here, bigger wave 3 here. Okay, say we have a good target here, so we should stop here. Keep in mind there is a target higher. Keep in mind this, so don't try to short when you're a bull like that. Don't try to short a top like that. This is not a good idea at all. If you're a really good trader, if you know that we are about to move to the downside here, of course do it. Get more money, okay? But if you're not really confident in this, you are more going to lose money than to win money, okay? So yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this on Bitcoin. Okay, all possible stops here. Okay, just right there. Yeah, hope you enjoy this update on Bitcoin. Hope you enjoy the content on the channel. Yeah, I hope it helped you a lot in your trades. I hope you learn Elliott Waves good. Okay, I hope I'm clear in my explanations. And yes, if you enjoy the content, as always, don't forget to smash the like button. This is really important. If you want to subscribe to the channel, it's free. Okay, if you want to join the Discord server, you can join the Discord server. I promote a VIP role that I give you VIP market update every day. Okay, on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Matic, XRP. So if you want to join it and try the VIP role, you have a 2-day free trial, so you can try that if you want. And yeah, so see you, take care of you. This is important, and yes, see you next time.